Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for group health insurance with Kaiser Permanente, complete guide step by step clearly. To register for group health insurance with Kaiser Permanente, start by visiting their official website. Locate the group health insurance section on the home page. Click on the link that leads to the registration page. You may need to create an account if you don't already have one. Provide your company's information, including the name and address. Enter the number of employees seeking coverage. Select the type of plan that best suits your group's needs. Review plan options, including coverage details and pricing. Once you find a suitable plan, click on the Enroll button. Fill out the group application form with accurate information. Ensure all required fields are completed. Attach any necessary documentation as requested. Review your application for accuracy before submitting. Submit the application and note any confirmation number provided. Kaiser Permanente will review your application. You'll receive an email regarding your application status. If approved, follow the instructions in the email to finalize your registration. Make sure to understand the payment process for your group insurance. Keep your contact information updated for any future correspondence. Once registered, access your member portal for plan management. Explore available resources for group health insurance support. Stay informed about your coverage and any changes that may occur. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.